This I believe, God is with me, and God in heaven have planned for me. When I was young, I wonder why God did not show up or even talk to people. And other people say that quote, to see is to believe. In short, they do not believe in God. But for me, no need to see it before I believe it. Because I know the author of the all has put gifts, skills, and abilities to everyone. And one day, someone shared with me the Word of God, and I wonder again how it happened that the Word of God was written in the famous book called the Bible. Then, when I read it in a long time, I was amazed and I was stunned because of the amazing stories here that you never thought would happen until now. At the end of the day, my curiosity has been answered by the Word of God. Everything I can see in this world proves that there is a living God. No reason or words can say there is no God. I also believe that God has planned for each other, no matter where we are in the situation of our lives. Trust and belief in God are accompanied by blessings. I claim it. God is with me, like the earth that cannot be seen, but we feel it. Maybe the reason why we can see God face to face is the test of our faith. But I'm here. I believe and marvel at God's plan. Even I can see Him. Believe it. Just believe it.